I'm Joe from Mainline Auto Body, and over my shoulder you'll see the remnants of our overhaul of the office storage cabinet. Now here you'll see what we started with. This office was a disaster, this cabinet. We had stuff stacked on the floors, stacked all over the shelves, no rhyme or reason, just a big cluster. And as you can see, it was difficult to find things, difficult to maintain inventory. It's just a real mess. And here's an example of all the things that we pulled out during our purge process, much of which got thrown away. Heaps of stuff. Okay, we're back in the recently overhauled office with Jamie and Gloria, who really did a great job in overhauling this thing. And as you can see, we're well lit and everything is cleaned up and organized and labeled, and we've got the Kanban system introduced in this area as well. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let the girls explain what they've done and how it works. First of all, I'd like you to demonstrate how this Kanban system works. Maybe you can pick a sample product and show us what you go through to reorder.
Okay, so for instance, when you're using the label maker, you come in, and this one actually is the last one.
Last one.
So there is a Kanban card on here saying,
what's that have on? It's
the description, the item number, where we order it from, the reorder point, the quantity, when we do reorder, and the location of the shelf.
Oh, so the shelves are labeled as well.
The shelves are labeled.
Where does the Kanban card go when somebody pulls it?
It goes in a container that we have, and then I will replenish it. I'll check them weekly.
So we should never run out of anything.
We should never run out.
And we know exactly where it's at.
Yep, we sure do.
Great. All right, super job. All right, Gloria, and you've got the section back there on the paper. Explain how that works, if you would. This is copy paper? And
yes, this is copy paper and printers here. The printer cartridges. We have them all labeled with where they go. These are production printers. Then we have our sales, production, sales, and fax.
Okay, Jamie, let me squeeze by you so I can focus the camera on those labels. Okay, so every one of them is labeled as to where they go and in which department, which office. And so how do you go about the business of reordering those? When do we know if we're low on those products?
They also have their Kanban card.
Ah, right
They'll
to the
have
top.
them there.
Easy peasy. Okay.
So and it tells you
super.
When you pull that one.
And the printer paper, how do you handle that?
The printer paper, you take from this side, go off this, and you will find
you've stashed one down underneath there. Okay, perfect. So now you guys have this thing all organized. Tons of free space left over. Everybody knows where everything's at. And we've got a system that will prevent us from ever buying too much or running out. Okay? Great job, girls. Thanks so much.